Hello traders, welcome to today's video. This will be a very quick update today again, just because as many of you are aware I am moving at the moment. I don't have internet in the new place, so I'm having to travel like an hour back to my old setup, which is here, where I still have the computer set up in order to take trades and to do content for you guys. And then I have to go back and do deliveries and moving in and all of that kind of stuff. So it's a little bit mad at the moment. I will have internet by next week, Monday or Tuesday, I hope. So then things will be a lot easier. But yeah, I'm going to do a very quick update this morning, just to go over my plans at the moment. You can see here on the Bitcoin chart, I'm currently in a long position now. This was one I took on Friday, and I just held it because it hit that first target as we came up and had this little SFP, and then it never came back into like any stops or anything. It held support quite nicely there, and I'm still looking for 17,600. Okay, this is the level that I've been talking about for a long time, and this is what I've been looking at ever since we had this low that got put in back in November. 17,600 was the target. Okay, we came and took the lows of this daily range, and I'm expecting it to come up towards these highs now, and that remains the same. Now, this doesn't mean that you shouldn't be looking for shorts here, because I do think we come back down to the lows of the range again. Once this is actually played out and we've got the deviation that we are looking for, I do think that we're going to get a move back down towards 16,200, towards 15,800, that kind of zone. So absolutely not looking at a major breakout scenario, but what I would love to see is just something like this, and then we look for those short positions. It's just very, very straightforward trading. You're just trading the range, and so far, yes, I haven't been around the charts as much as I would have liked to have been recently. I haven't been able to take those day trade, scalp trade opportunities, but the plan itself is like just playing out, and I'm very very happy with that. So that's what I'm looking for. The only thing that I think could get in the way of that is we do have to be aware, okay, that we have had like we were looking at this as like a little deviation off of this. We found support, we got this long off of the, at the time this was the previous day New York point of control. I'll show you that in just a moment. And yeah, we're coming back up towards these, and then again locally, if we just move this across to here, we do have this SFP off of the local highs, but local market structure is okay, and we're not far away from target at this stage. So on Bitcoin, yeah, 17,600. That has been the target for since 21st of November. It remains the target now, and that is the trade that I am in, unless I'm taking little scalps here and there. From that point, I will then be looking for short positions. Okay, and what am I doing? That'll be here, yeah? Short positions from around here. We'll see what kind of invalidation we get off of that to come back down towards the lows of the range. And that is the plan, and that is what I am trading. What we also have at the moment, so if we're just sticking with the higher time frames right now, we have a very striking similarity between what we're getting now and what we had in the summer of 2021, which conveniently enough was during the Euros, and we're having another major football tournament happening now. So we had this range. Okay, you have this phase B rally after, so you have the selling climax, you come back down, you take out local lows. We've taken out the lows down here. Okay, we've done all of that, and now we're getting this second rally that comes up towards the highs. Now from here, you had the daily level up at the highs, you had local liquidity. We've already taken like the local liquidity from this, but then we hit into this daily level, and we had that deviation. And then we came all the way back down towards the lows again. And it's a very, very, very similar situation, which is what I'm mainly just basing this off of at the moment. So you have that ABC corrective move up to take the highs, ping, 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 corrective move up to take the highs. I would be looking for those short positions to take things back down again up here. And that's just, again, another, yeah, another thing that explains the same, the same trade idea that I have currently on the chart. So this is the fractal from summer, June 2021. Take a look at it, and I believe that we're like here right now on the charts, with a little bit further to go before we get those major short opportunities later on in the week, hopefully. Ethereum, let's have a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, okay, it's again, same kind of plan. So initially, This daily here is the equivalent of this daily here on Bitcoin, but Ethereum is a little bit further ahead. So Ethereum on the daily range has had the rotation up towards the highs, but because it's been a little bit stronger than Bitcoin recently, I do think that if we can get a continued push from Bitcoin, we can be looking at this supply up at the highs here that takes us into these single prints, and then we can be looking again for that deviation back down towards the lows, and then I'd be looking for a trade roughly 1,360, looking for those shorts around 1,360 with a target of 1,100 from that. So again, focusing on the swing trade perspective here, higher would be nice because that gives you the best opportunity to get into a short so that then you can take back down to 1,100. And I'm fairly confident in these ideas at the moment because even though I haven't been at the charts, like I literally haven't been able to trade for the past like week since I've started the move, and because I haven't had internet and stuff and I'm having to travel back here just to do these videos, everything I thought would happen has been paying out, so I'm quite happy. I was able to get into a long off of Ethereum down here. We had the target of the daily level, that was great. We've then come and taken out the lows of the range. We've come in and we've just filled these single prints here, and we're getting another leg up. It is just, yeah, it's all very nice at the moment. So we'll see how this continues to play out. If we do start to break this local market structure, then yes, maybe we do need to look for those shorts a little bit earlier. But for now, I'm just remaining in the same idea. Okay, look at the local uptrend. Okay, it's quite clearly up at the moment. If we do start to break down here, then I would look for those short positions around 17,300, and then I could look to take that back down here, and then you're just continuing to play this more local range at the moment. But as things stand, we're not far away. I think patience has been very profitable recently. Just remaining patient has been the most profitable strategy for myself, and there's not much more to say on it than that. In terms of the legacy markets, there's not too much going on here. Okay, it's like crypto is kind of trading on its own merit. Like I say, we've come up and we've taken out the previous highs here. We were looking for that move up towards the weekly level on the S&P last week. So if you remember when we were looking back here at the beginning of the week, we were looking for that move up into the weekly level here, which is coming up into a difficult region on the S&P, but that doesn't mean that we can't get one more push higher, maybe into this 4-hour AB around about 4,120, and then we can start to look for a pullback. On the DXY, we are continuing to go lower. So this is what we were looking at again last week. Okay, we were looking at 3 drives into the lows. It's gone deeper than we would have expected from this. I do think that a rally is possible, but that doesn't mean that the DXY, that the dollar index can't stay low for a bit longer before we get that bigger rally, which would then go, okay, dollar starts to rally, and then what does that lead to in Bitcoin? It means, okay, are we going to get that push up towards these highs, and then we can come down and take out these lows once the dollar starts to do this. So yeah, it's good. My plan's playing out. I'm a happy man. I will be able to do much more detailed, thorough updates for you in the not so distant future. Until then, we will continue to do the advent calendar stuff, so please keep an eye out for that. We will be releasing, we'll do like little videos in between now and then, some more giveaways, those kind of things, so do keep an eye on that, and make sure you're hitting the like button and subscribe. But I've got to get off, I've got deliveries, I've got to drive back now, so thanks for watching. Please do hit the like button, because this is like so much more effort for me at the moment, but yeah, it's all good, it's all good. So have a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers, bye.